Alright, que paso amigos, John's Moto Garage. Here we are on the Dyna, and this is a little bit change of scenery from what we typically see here on the channel. And the reason being is I'm putting this new Barnett clutch to the test today. I got a heavy duty spring and heavy duty Kevlar clutch plates, and we're taking a break from the wheelie game. The wheelie game kind of takes its toll on you, so we're gonna carve some canyons. So these aren't real canyons, obviously, but this is one of the mountain runs here, and I'm gonna take it pretty easy. I've actually never done this on a moto. I've wanted to come out quite a few times, but we're gonna be doing some heavy shifting, getting heavy on the throttle, some good downshifting, and we're basically gonna see if this Barnett clutch is everything it's cracked up to be. Like I said, I haven't been up here before, so I plan to kind of take it easy. And of course, it's a bit of a challenge because there's other cars as well. Anyway, this will be a leisurely stroll up the mountain. Once we get to the top, we'll see what my impressions are. Take a moment to kind of take in the view. Looks awesome up here. Arizona is beautiful, beautiful. You gotta be careful because you do have cyclists. Let's take a stop right here, make sure I'm not cutting anybody off. Alright, before any cars show up, let's hit the road. Where you drag your knee. You gotta be careful through here. You got people just hanging out on the road like nobody's business. Doesn't really make sense, but they do it. And we're already caught back up. Yeah, so far this Barnett clutch, man, really holding up. Zero slipping whatsoever, really catches, really pulls hard. So I'm stoked on it. And the heavy duty spring, I think for this type of riding, where you're really downshifting hard and accelerating hard and shifting hard, I think that's what it's intended for, and that it definitely lives up to that. The only downside is for doing wheelies, it makes it way harder to slip the clutch. So there is a trade-off there for sure. So you got a couple different lookouts here. I'm gonna check this one out. I can't tell if that's sand. That's a hard one. I cannot believe I rode up this whole thing on my bicycle. That's crazy. Definitely take it slow the first couple times through. TV towers, that's where we're going. Yeah, I've never been on this, so I would not advise driving like a maniac because you just don't know. There's all these sand patches. Last thing I want to do is go down on some sand. To the top. Hopefully there's not a cop sitting up there waiting for me. Damn, we made it. There you have it, you guys. Beautiful. Look at this. Arizona, great state, has a lot to offer. Way out there, I think those are some of the mountain. Yeah, you can see there's a spot out there. We call it the helipad. We ride our mountain bikes up to there. It's a pretty good trail. But yeah, this is nice. Gonna get a good pic here. Yeah, the pics don't really do this thing justice. Bam, there you have it. First session carving canyons on the Dyna. Thing's a blast. It's a shame there's a speed limit and other traffic. Because then it would really be a blast. Oh well. I gotta roll back, gotta get some gas in this thing. Now I'm gonna be afraid I'm gonna run out of gas. Of course, downhill you gotta take it even easier or get taken off the road by a dude in a Lexus. Can we catch air? No. That guy's cool. Whoa, that was crazy. That dude was drifting around that corner. Some real nice people so far. This isn't really the best riding for conserving gas by any means. We gotta find a place up here to get ahead of this guy. Look at that though, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful riding. Pretty awesome, pretty awesome. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. My bro and I rode our bikes up this thing. That's crazy. I mean, a lot of people do it. I'll admit I made it to the last switchback and then I just could not go any longer. Could not push it. I don't want to be that guy, but you know, at a certain point, you just got to get past them. Alright, you guys, that's going to do it for this sesh, John's Moto Garage. Hope you enjoyed it. I think these Kevlar Barnett heavy duty plates really held up to their name. What a blast. Let me know below, do you want to see more of this type of riding on the channel? Going out, carving canyons, having fun on the bike, still riding safe. Let me know below. John's Moto Garage will hit you guys up on the next one. Adios.